Welcome to simplystreetbikes.com. Today we've got a 2008 Honda Rebel 250. We're going to take a walk around this starter bike and then we'll fire it up so you can hear it run. Overall, this bike is in pretty good condition. It's fairly clean. As you can see, no rips or tears in either the passenger seat or the driver's seat. It has been over on its left side, and I'll show you those marks. We've got a few here on the rear blinker. Got a little scuffing here on the exhaust. A little scrape on the engine cover here. Along with the bar end, the clutch lever, and the back of the mirror, along with the front blinker. We also have some damage to the headlight ring here. As you can see, no rock chips, front fender's in good shape, along with a lot of mileage left on the front tire. As you can see, the tank's nice and clean, no dents, no nicks, no scratches, along with this whole side of the bike. Here's a shot of the back tire. A lot of mileage left on that, still in really good condition. This great starter bike has got really low miles on it. 1960. This is a carbureted bike. We'll choke and warm up a little bit. But as you can see, overall, it's got a lot of gloss left in it. Still in good shape. You can hear how it smoothed right out once it warmed up a little bit. This bike has gone through our 24-point pre-sale inspection. Also comes with a 30-day, 1,000-mile limited warranty. And as long as you own the bike, you get a discount on parts, labor, and accessories. Thank you for shopping simplystreetbikes.com.